This is your revision rundown for the rules of logarithms. Rule number 1. If you have an equation where a base number a raised to the power n is equivalent to b, this same equation can be written as the logarithm of b to base a is equal to x. Now how you say this is the logarithm of b to base a is equal to x. For instance, 5 to the power of 3 is 125. Now this means that the logarithm of 125 to base 5 is 3. Rule number 2. Logarithm of a to base a is 1. Now if we convert this into an equation with base numbers and powers, we get a to the power of 1 is a, which is true. Now this means that every number can be written as a logarithm. For example, 2 is just 2 multiplied by the logarithm of a to base a, whereas 125 is 125 multiplied by the logarithm of a to base a. Right, rule number 3. The logarithm of 1 to base a is 0. Now again, if we convert this into an equation, we get a to the power of 0 is 1, which is true. Rule number 4. The logarithm of a with no base is the equivalent to the logarithm of a to base 10. So if you don't see a base in any question, you just assume that it's 10. Right, so here is a past paper question. Solve the equation the logarithm of 2n minus 3 to base 7 equals 2 for 2 marks. Feel free to pause the video to try this question out. Right, so how you'd solve this is by using rule number 1. If a to the power of x is b, then the logarithm of b to base a is x. Now if we compare each of the values, we get a equals 7, b equals 2n minus 3, and x equals 2. We're going to rearrange each of these values into the equation on the left. So 7 to the power of 2 is 2n minus 3. And we get 49 is 2n minus 3. So now we're going to move the 3 and get 2n equals 49 plus 3, which means that 2n is just 52 and n is 26, which is the final answer. Now good job if you got this all right. Since the question is 2 marks, 1 mark will be given for rearranging each of the values, and the other mark will be given for the correct answer. If this video helped, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.